How to fix the message, select a Wi-Fi network from the menu or attach network cable to proceed during setup on your MacBook Pro M4 or M5. So if you see this message here, what you need to do is you need to go to the top here and click on the Wi-Fi icon. From the list here, just wait. So wait for the network to load. If you do not see it, just simply click on it again and then re-click. And here from the list of available networks, select your Wi-Fi network. Then enter your Wi-Fi network password. After that, click on join. And now we just simply wait for a few seconds. And now you can see it is spinning. You can see the spinning wheel. And it will now proceed to activate your Mac. And that's it. So that is how you can fix that message showing that you need to connect to Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.